When we talked about the forehead and chin, we did a vertical decision. We can also do a horizontal decision by looking at the cheekbones. By angling the softbox towards the camera like this, you can use the soft edge of the light pattern to control the intensity of the closest cheekbone. Anders, can you please give me a feather? Thank you. This is called feathering the light. The analogy to a feather is based on the edge of the light pattern that can be soft and gentle like a feather. Gentle?
Very gentle.
Mm-hmm. Gentle?
Very gentle.
When feathering the light over the cheekbones, compare the intensity on the closest and the furthest from softbox. By angling the softbox, you can go from one extreme to the other. Even though the light is clearly coming from the left, you can have the cheekbones evenly lit. Or you can have the cheekbone closest to the softbox more bright. Or you can even have the closest one darker than the furthest cheekbone by doing like this. By turning the softbox, you can really fine-tune that feathering. And as with most modifiers, if you back up your modifier, the light pattern grows. This makes that feathering shadow edge bigger and bigger as you move back. When having the light source further away like this, the heads will not be evenly lit. But the feathering shadow edge is quite wide. This can be very effective when you want to make an even light over distance. I can make the heads equally bright by just feathering the light like this. For portraits with light close up, it's important to look and tweak how you want the cheekbones. By turning the softbox towards the camera, you avoid lighting your background and you can control your cheekbones. Let's see how Hannah does this on a real model.
When lighting the face at a close distance like this, you can easily control the light both vertically and horizontally over the face. Move the softbox around and compare the forehead and the chin, then compare the cheekbones. When you find what you like, go for it. Let me show you the difference just by moving the softbox. So firstly, if we take a shot like this cheekbone is more brightly lit, and this cheekbone on this side is a little bit more in shadow. So let's take that shot to begin with. Okay, just look straight towards me, Nelly. That's great. Now if I move the light around in this direction, you can now see the light is more evenly distributed across both cheekbones for a different effect. So let's take a shot of that too.